our stock is ready. Now let's just put a little salt to increase flavor, not to taste. Remember, stock is going to be used for more production in the kitchen, so we don't put salt to taste salt. Then we are going to strain our stock using conical strainer. So here I'm going to start with the veal stock. Our veal stock is ready. Then continue with the chicken stock. You see our chicken stock, it's more clear than veal because the chicken is white meat, but also veal it's considered as white meat, but it shows that the veal was not that such young. Then now we're going to strain our brown stock. See, even the flavor, it's a flavor of brown bones, you know? See, and flavor of chicken and flavor of veal, it's an amazing one. We also have puree of tomato, which considered as a liquid we use in the kitchen. Puree of tomato, just fresh tomato, you make it puree, like using blender. We also have cooking oil. We also use, we also consider cooking oil as one of liquid we use in the kitchen. And we also have milk. We consider milk as one of the liquid we use in the kitchen. We are also going to strain the fish stock. Our fish stock is ready. We can consider 5 liquid that can produce 5 mother sauces. The 5 liquid that can produce 5 mother sauces, one will be tomato sauce, tomato puree to produce tomato sauce. Another one will be brown stock to produce brown sauce or demi-glace. Then here we have three liquids. Chicken stock, it's white stock. Veal stock, it's white stock, and fish stock, it's white stock. So we all consider them as one liquid because it's all white stock with a different flavor, but it's white stock. So the white stock produce verte. White stock produce mother sauce called verte. Either will be fish verte, either will be chicken verte, or either will be veal verte. Then from there, we have another liquid, which is milk, and milk will produce mother sauce called bechamel sauce. Then the last one, we have liquid, which is oil. So you can have liquid like oil, you can have classified butter, so both are fat, so it's a one of liquid we consider in the kitchen as well. For cooking oil like sunflower, it's a liquid we use in the kitchen. So like cooking oil can produce mother sauce called mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, it's a mother sauce. So, and it's built on liquid of oil. So here we have a variety of liquid which will produce 5 mother sauce, and we are going to see them next.